Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Azure Synapse Dataset. In this tutorial we will explore the key concepts and practical examples of working with datasets. In Azure Synapse. Azure Synapse is a cloud-based analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources, and datasets are a fundamental component of this service. First, let's define what a dataset is. A dataset is a collection of data that is used to train and test machine learning models, or to perform data analysis and reporting. In Azure Synapse, datasets are used to connect to various data sources such as Azure Storage, Azure Cosmos DB, and Azure SQL Database. To create a dataset in Azure Synapse, you need to navigate to the Azure Synapse workspace and click on the Datasets tab. Then click on the New Dataset button. You will be prompted to select the data source. Choose the connector that corresponds to your data source, and follow the prompts to connect to your data source. Once you have connected to your data source, you can create a dataset by selecting the tables or files that you want to include in your dataset. You can also apply filters and transformations to your data as needed. For example, you can filter out rows that contain missing values, or apply data types to your columns. After creating your dataset, you can use it to perform data analysis and reporting, or to train and test machine learning models. You can also use Azure Synapse to create data pipelines, which are a series of processes that extract data from sources, transform the data, and load it into a target system. Best practices for working with datasets in Azure Synapse include using meaningful names and descriptions for your datasets, and organizing your datasets into folders and categories. You should also use data validation and data quality checks to ensure that your data is accurate and consistent. In conclusion, Azure Synapse datasets are a powerful tool for integrating and analyzing data from various sources. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create and manage datasets in Azure Synapse, and use them to perform data analysis and reporting, or to train and test machine learning models. Remember to use best practices such as meaningful names and descriptions, and data validation and quality checks to ensure that your data is accurate and consistent.